Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram in Piqua, Ohio. If you're looking for current listing and you're on YouTube and would like to see individual pictures of this specific unit or any other vehicle we have on our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. There you'll get a current description of every vehicle on our lot with an accurate price. Today we're going to show you a brand new arrival 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. This is granite crystal in color. Really nice exterior, sleek design to this. This one's actually what you call Touring L+. So it's just under the limited as far as equipment wise goes, interior and exterior of this vehicle. Really nice rims, 18-inch rim, wrapped in a Michelin tire, which is a really good tire. As far as to the rear of the van, you do have backup sensors on this particular unit. You have your standard backup camera built into the back of the van right there. Rear defrost, rear power windshield or wiper. Overall, just a good looking van. Got some really cool features built into this. This button right here, if you want to lock your car, for example, and you're beside it and your keys are in your pocket, which they aren't in my pocket in this situation, I hit that button and it automatically locks. Power sliding doors on both sides in the rear, as you can see there. Leather interior. Both of these, what we consider captain's chairs, these two seats in front of us, they do fold flat into the floor, and then also so does the bench in the rear. So if you're looking to haul anything, whatever it may be, you can fold your rear bench and or the captain's chairs, and then you got a big flat surface to haul whatever you need to haul at that time. On the ceiling here, we have all these individual heat and AC vents, also with a rear reading light at each seat where the vent is. So there's 4 vents in the rear along with 4 reading lights up there on the ceiling. Probably one of the coolest features in this particular van is the rear entertainment system. So not only can you watch a movie on here, you can also play games. There's bingo, there's where are we at, meaning instead of the kids yelling mom, dad, where are we at all the time, it's programmed into the GPS and they can see. It's like being on an airplane. You can track where you're going and how far it's going to be till you get there. Really cool feature. HDMI USB plug right there on the side by the flip up monitor. There's also a monitor on the driver's side, behind the driver's seat, and also behind the front passenger seat. So there's 2 dual monitors. Keep in mind too that with these captain's chairs right here, the 2 in the center console, 2 in the center here, they are heated. So that is an extremely nice feature with this particular van, with them being heated seats. There's always little hidden cubbies, like here's a regular plug right there, hidden right beside one of the captain's chairs. So a really nice feature. And another thing, you can use the stow and go down here for storage. So if you want to actually put stuff down there instead of storing your seats down there, the captain's chairs, that's always an option. Very nice feature to have. Also in this particular vehicle, on the side mirror, you may be able to see, let me get a little closer, there is a triangle on the left hand side of the mirror. That is a great feature that they came out with a while back. So if there is a car in your blind spot or beside you and anywhere when you're going down the road, that little triangle lights up orange. So it's just another indicator that, hey, there's someone beside you. Don't be going over and getting in an accident. On the driver's side door, you're going to have access to all 4 windows. So not only do the 2 front windows roll down on Pacificas, this center window right here where the captain's chairs is on each side, that one rolls down a full window also, just like you would in a normal sedan. Power locks, memory seating for 2, his and hers. You can set your seats, your radios, all your options that you would want to set standard to you as number 1 and vice versa for number 2. This van is equipped with the automatic start-stop feature, so when you do come to a complete stop, whether it's a red light, usually a red light, could be a stop sign, wherever it may be, your vehicle will actually shut off. your motor will, but everything inside of your vehicle will still be working. As far as your radio, your AC, your rear DVD, whatever it may be, everything is still working. It's another great feature that has came out over the years that definitely makes it a gas saving overall over a period of time. This particular van does have a capability to hook your phone up to it, answer it from the steering wheel, never have to pick up your phone again, answer it, hang up, whatever it may be. You have your cruise control on the right hand side, and then you also have your volume behind the steering wheel on the right hand side, and then on the left hand side you can change your radio station, whether you want to seek it or to another preset. Up in here, you're going to have your instrument cluster. It'll tell you all the functions of the van at any current time, whether it's your transmission temp, etc., etc., etc. It'll go through the whole inner workings of the van. Nice feature if you're into that technical gadget kind of stuff. Automatic headlights up front, they can be set on that. This particular van does have a touchscreen radio, built-in navigation, as you can see there, AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. You can set it on your climate controls. There's all these different apps that you can use to function down here. You don't necessarily have to have these exact apps. You can always go to the apps in general and pull whatever it may be. Say you want travel links, to be down here. You can pull it down here and get rid of controls, which would be, your heated seats or your heated steering wheel for the front driver and passenger. This does have dual climate controls, like I said, so you can operate it from the driver. Keep it 75, passenger may want it 65, and then there's also the rear too. Auxiliary switch, USB switches. This compartment right here is for your Blu-ray DVD for the rear entertainment system. 12-volt DC and USB charging ports down there, along with a little storage cubby hole. Also more cubby, little spots for storing whatever it may be. This particular vehicle gets a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. It covers everything but the bumpers. There's no such thing as a bumper-to-bumper warranty. And then it also comes with a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty, which is going to cover your engine, your transmission, and your drivetrain. And again, this is a 2020 Chrysler Pacifica, granite in color, Touring L Plus, very well equipped van with a bunch of goodies inside, including games for the kids in the rear. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. Please visit us on our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button so you can be notified of any new videos we have coming out. All our current inventory as far as new arrivals, we will try to get our videos up, loaded up on YouTube ASAP for your viewing. And again, thanks for shopping.